In court does call the case of the People versus Kelly Messenger.
Feia requesto, lo corrió.
I'm sorry.
Feia requesto cuando loco de guerra. Understood? Or that's me, Kelly Messenger, right here, English.
Okay, if you can speak English, let's do that. Counsel, please state your appearances.
Ashley Londy standing in for Caitlin Kirby for the People.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Ms. Messenger, Your Honor. Ms. Messenger, could you state your name, please?
Kelly Messenger.
All right, before we begin, I do have to arraign Ms. Messenger on an additional complaint. All right, Ms. Messenger, you have a new case before the court. The new case alleges two charges. It alleges that on November 19th, 2021, at the Huron Valley Correctional Facility, that you did, count one alleges that you did assault a prison employee. Do you understand the nature of that charge, ma'am?
I don't understand the nature, but I hear what you're saying, though.
All right, let me ask it this way. You understand that when I say assault on a prison employee, you understand what you're charged with. I'm not asking whether you did it.
I do understand.
All right. And that involves Ashley McFarland, that on count one. That's a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and or a $2,500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do understand.
All right. Count two is the same charge alleged to have occurred on the same date involving an employee of the facility of Leisha Terrell. Do you understand that, ma'am?
I didn't hear the name.
Leisha Terrell.
Leisha Terrible?
Yes.
Sí, no. Nope. Not, I cannot accept that.
Okay,
There's no,
ma'am, I'm not, ma'am. I'm not asking you whether or not you did it. I'm asking whether or not you understand that you're charged with an assault on that person.
That name is unacceptable. There's nobody in my facility by that name.
Okay, that might be a defense to this, but do you understand that that's what you're charged with?
All right, I understand.
Okay, do you understand that? Okay.
Yes, I do.
And you understand that on that count too, it carries the same penalties I just told you, which is 5 years, $2,500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yeah, I understand. I'm done tripping.
Okay.
I'm just in a foreign move.
Okay.
Okay, that's my language, so my native tongue. Okay. Now look, how many years does it carry? That's all I want to know.
It carries up to 5 years.
Okay, both of them 5 years.
Both charges are the same charges, just different people. Maximum penalty on each one of those charges is up to 5 years.
Yeah, look, I heard about the incident. Okay.
Okay. I don't want you, Miss Messenger. I don't want you saying anything about the incident. I just need to know what that you understand what you're charged with and what the maximum penalties are.
I do, but it wasn't me.
Okay.
I heard about
Okay. And that may be a defense. I just need to make sure you understand what you're charged with, what the people are saying you did.
Yeah, I hear you.
Got it? Okay. Now, my first question to you is, do you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
This is a public defender case. All yours, Mr. Gady.
Yes, Your Honor. Waive further reading, stand mute to the charges. Mike Gaddy for Ms. Messenger.
All right. Defendant having waived formal reading, pleading not guilty, court will that plea. You also waive the time requirements, Mr. Gaddy.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, so now that I've arraigned her on that charge, counsel, what are we doing with this case? I'm assuming you want them to carry along with the other cases.
That's correct, Your Honor. I'd ask the court to set this for a probable cause conference. Since we were here last time on Ms. Messenger's first probable conference, PCC on the other two matters, I have had a chance to speak with Ms. Messenger and APA Kirby. This might throw a wrinkle into things. I'd ask the court to adjourn those matters and set them for the same time as these other probable cause conferences.
All right, you want to hear these on the 21st, or you want more time than that?
Maybe a week later than that, Judge.
I'm sorry?
Maybe on the 28th, if that's available.
I have the 26th. The 28th is not available. I have a Tuesday.
Now, I wanna know who this black, Bin Laden is over here, say name, there's no name. Like, some of these people in this courtroom don't make sense. It's a black Osama Bin Laden right here, TCL83, with no name. Now, who are these people in my courtroom?
Okay, first of all, it's not your courtroom, it's mine.
Well, I'm
And-
here, so it's mine for the time being.
I'm the one that sent the invitation. All right, Mr. Gaddy, what date would you like?
Why don't we do the first date in August, Judge?
August 4th.
Thank you,
Okay,
Your Honor.
I will adjourn the probable cause conferences till August 4th, 2022, 9 a.m. Bond on those matters will continue. On the new case, I will set her probable cause conference on August 4th, 2022 at 9 a.m. with a preliminary examination to follow. As to the defendant's bond, I will set the defendant's bond $10,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that. She's not really going anywhere.
No, I think 2030, Judge.
Pardon?
I think 2030 according to Otis. So,
What is he telling me?
I'm having trouble hearing.
Yeah, mute her. All right. I've set it for August 4th. I've set her bond at $10,000 per, or 10%. Standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. And I'll just leave it at that. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be in touch, Miss Messenger.
You have fun with that.